Hello everybody and welcome to Organic Gardening Together. My name is Paulie and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite herb, Thai basil. This is a voiceover, so I flipped that kind of early. So the light is, you should be getting 6 full hours of sunlight. The spacing should be 12 to 18 inches apart, and the height grows up to 12 to 24 inches. And again, this is definitely one of my favorite herbs to eat more than anything else. It's got a lot of benefits, culinary benefits, of course. Thai basil originates from Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia, and it can be used in medicinal uses. You can bruise the leaves and inhale the aroma. It's supposed to promote relaxation. Thai basil has a really strong flavor profile, and it's pretty easy to grow. So this I did a little differently. If you see the other videos on my channel, I usually plant all of my plants from seed. I had went to Home Depot to get PVC pipe for a 4x4 raised bed I'm going to be doing, and I saw this and I just had to have it, so I bought it. I'm eating it right now actually in the video, and it's just an awesome herb to add to your garden. And future videos I'm going to be showing recipes with it. Not that I'm good with cooking or anything, but you know, we're going to be learning together how to do stuff, and cooking's definitely part of the process. You know, what's the point of growing all this stuff if you're not going to cook, right? The point of this is for self-sufficiency. We want to become independent and grow our own food and know where our food's coming from. So this is the rest of the garden, and we'll talk about companion planting. This is just episode 1. The gardener said it's 6 weeks old. To me, it looks a lot older than that, in my opinion. I don't see how that could be 6 weeks. I mean, possibly. But so I'm marking this week 6, episode 1, and we'll learn how to grow this plant together, manicuring it, and showing what steps have to be made to keep it healthy. So my other videos, you could see how I built the soil here. It's an all organic soil with a well draining sandy soil underneath. So just stay tuned while we learn how to take care of this plant together. Thanks for watching.